Do you want to add photos to TikTok comments? You can comment picture in TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add photos to TikTok comments. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, find and open the video where you want to comment on a picture. Now, tap on the comment icon from the right side of the video to open the comments section. Here you will see all the comments on this specific video. To add a photo, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom right. Now a new screen appears. Here you will be able to see all the pictures from your phone gallery. Find and select the photo you want to add. You can customize your reply by adding text or emojis along with the picture if desired. Once done, tap the post button. Now, your photo will appear as a comment under the TikTok video comments section.